Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. My name is Gilang Gustavian Satyasmara and my number is 38. This time I want to talk about adverb clause. An adverb clause is a dependent clause that functions as an adverb. What is an adverb clause? An adverb clause or adverbial clause is a clause that works as an adverb in a sentence. Its role is to show the reader place, time, condition, degree, and so on by answering questions like where, when, how, and why. In other words, it works in the same way as a single adverb, except is structured as a clause. An adverb clause is a group of words that function as an adverb in a sentence. Adverb clause can be used to add detail to your writing and explain how or why things happen. Like all types of clause, an adverb clause has a subject and verb. However, an adverb clause is a dependent clause. This means that it can never be a sentence on its own. Specifically, an adverb clause is a modifier that modifies the independent clause. Different parts of the adverb clause include: number 1, the subject. This is the person, place, idea, or thing that a sentence is about. It's the noun that's doing something in a clause or sentence. Number 2, the predicate. This is where the action is in your sentence. It tells us what the subject does and is often a verb, but it can also be a verb phrase, a verb plus its objects or modifiers. Number 3, the dependent marker word or subordinating conjunctions. Dependent marker words, also called subordinating conjunctions, is a word that adds detail like time or context. Most adverbial clauses start with a subordinating conjunction. Number 4, the object. This is the word affected by the verb of preposition in a sentence, usually nouns or pronouns that answer questions like who, what, where, and when. What introduces an adverb clause? Adverbial clauses are introduced by special words called subordinating conjunction. Subordinating conjunction link adverb clauses with the word in the independent clause that the adverb clause is modifying. Adverb clause examples. Adverb clause examples in the middle of sentence. Number 1, my sister, when she is angry, will turn red in the face. The adverb clause is when she is angry. Number 2, elephants, although they are large, are not predators. The adverb clauses is although they are large. Number 3, chocolate, because it has a low melting point, can be difficult to bake with. The adverb clause is because it has a low melting point. Adverb clause examples at the end of sentence. Number 1, give us a call when you get back from your trip. The adverb clause is when you get back from your trip. Number 2, we need to find the bar where they ask us to wait. The adverb clause is where they ask us to wait. Number 3, the fireworks show will start after sun goes down. The adverb clause is after the sun goes down. Number 4, Frank ran the race as though his life depended on it. The adverb clause is as though his life depended on it. Number 5, we can swim in the pool as soon as you put on sunscreen. The adverb clause is as soon as you put on sunscreen. Examples of adverb clauses used in the beginning of a sentence. When adverb clauses are used in the beginning of a sentence, it is usually followed by a comma. These clauses are often subordinate or dependent clauses and cannot stand on their own. Examples. Number 1. If you work hard, you will be able to score good grades. Number 2. In case you like it, let us know. Number 3. Although they drove really fast, they could not reach there in time. Number 4. Before you make your decision, make sure you think this through. Number 5. As soon as you meet her, call me. Examples of adverb clauses used in the middle of a sentence. Adverb clauses that appear in the middle of a sentence are enclosed within commas, and even if removed from the sentence, let the sentence convey meaning. Examples. Number 1. My cousins thought they told us that they would not come for the movie. They somehow made it. The examples of adverb clauses is thought they told us that they would not come for the movie. Number 2. He remembered after he left the office that he had not sent the EOD report. The answer is after he left the office. Number 3. Ramya, since she was not keeping well, decided not to go to work today and tomorrow. The answer is since she was not keeping well. Number 4. My friend, because he does not like working in the IT field, started his own company. The answer is because he does not like working in the IT field. Number 5. Digital money, even though it has been made legal all around the world, is not accepted or considered safe by common people. The answer is even though it has been made legal all around the world. What are types of adverb clause? Number 1. Place. These adverbial clauses answer the questions of where. Example. You can drop by for a visit where we are staying for the summer. Number 2. Time. These adverb clauses answer the questions of when. Examples. When the clock strikes midnight, she has to leave. Number 3. Reason. These adverb clauses answer the questions why. Examples. Since he has long hair, he wears a ponytail. Number 4. Purpose. These adverb clauses also answer the question why. Example. So that he wouldn't ruin the carpet, he took off his shoes. Number 5. Condition. These adverb clauses answer the questions how. Example. If you don't hurry, you will be late for school. Adverb clauses of concation. These adverb clauses answer the question how in a more indirect way. Example. Although they gave it their best effort, they didn't win the match. Common mistakes with adverb clauses. Adverb clauses can sometimes be tricky to use, so it's important to be aware of the common mistakes. This way, you can avoid making the mistakes in the first place. One of the most common mistakes made with adverb clauses is treating them as if they are independent. It's important to remember that adverb clauses are subordinate or dependent clause. This means they don't make sense on their own. They need to be connected to a main clause using a subordinating conjunction. Never treat an adverb clause as if it's a sentence on its own. And that's all from me. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.